Are you curious to know about the leaky gut syndrome? If yes, keep watching. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be looking at what a leaky gut is, what the symptoms are, and how you can cure it. It is important to recognize the symptoms as they are pretty common. Our health is not a joke, and if we don't look after it, it can result in multiple digestive problems in the future. So, it is better to take action now and keep yourself educated. Without any further ado, let's get started. What is it? So, what is a leaky gut? Well, inside the lining of our intestines, that covers over 4,000 square feet of surface area. Its function is to control the types of substances that go through the lining and get into the bloodstream. But when the lining is not functioning properly, some of the holes get too big, which causes toxic substances to get absorbed instead. This includes undigested food and other toxic chemicals that should not enter the blood. As a result, there can be inflammation, which leads to a faulty digestive system. As more nutrients go through the lining, it is said to be leaking. What causes it? Now that we know what a leaky gut is, let's discuss why it occurs. The most common reason is an overload of toxic substances in our bodies. This can be because of the consumption of tap water, antibiotics, etc. A poor diet can also result in a leaky gut, especially if it involves alcohol or drug abuse. Signs. Moving on, let's see the symptoms of a leaky gut. It's important to know the signs so that you can recognize them in yourself or others when you notice them. This way, you can cure it as soon as you can. So, let's get into the symptoms. 1. Digestive problems, such as bloating, diarrhea, or gas. Having IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, is also one of the signs. 2. Hormonal disorders, like PCOS or PMS. Since these disorders cause an imbalance in our hormones, the intestinal lining can be affected. 3. Mental health disorders, like depression, ADHD, anxiety, and more. Once again, these disorders cause hormonal imbalances too. 4. Exhaustion and fatigue because of the inability of your body to gain energy from food. 5. A weak immune system. Supplements. Now, let's see some of the supplements that people use to treat a leaky gut. It should be noted that you must get a prescription from your doctor before consuming any of these supplements. 1. Probiotics. These help with reducing inflammation and helps the digestive gut to function properly. 2. L-glutamine. These supplements improve the symptoms of IBS and other digestive problems like bloating. 3. Vitamin D. This helps with making our immune system stronger. Fixing a leaky gut. The main way to repair a leaky gut is to treat the underlying causes. For example, to prevent any hormonal imbalances, make sure to improve your diet. This includes eating more vegetables and fruits. Try to have more gluten-free ingredients like brown rice and oats. Moreover, for protein, you can have meat and eggs. Some foods that you should refrain from eating are processed foods and dairy products. Additionally, avoid artificial sweeteners and junk food as well. Furthermore, having a proper exercise routine or any physical activity will improve your digestive system immensely. That brings us to the end of this video. If you gain some insights, make sure to leave a like. To see more videos like this, press the subscribe button as well. See you soon.